Hi, 3rd and 4th grade. This is your reading video today. Today, we're going to talk about the final E rule. I know some of my kiddos, when we left, were struggling with this, so we're going to talk about that a little bit today. So hopefully that'll help clear it up for you. Let's get started. Here we go. Okay, the final E rule. We usually drop the E at the end of the words when adding an ending that begins with the vowel suffix. Now remember, a suffix is at the end of the word. So these are all suffixes here. ing, ed has 3 sounds. It says ed, t, and d. Er says able says able, and ous says us. So if your word, if you're going to change it to any of these by adding any of these on, and it has an E, then you have to drop that pesky E, okay? And you have to add these endings on. So we're going to practice that a little bit today. Let me get my board. Here we go. I have some words written on my board. I have write, I have ing, I have ed, and I have er. And we need to change those words to say those categories and have those endings on it. So how would I do that? Let's take a look and get started. Here we go. So my first word is write. Now, if I wanted to say writing, what would I have to do? Well, we know that I have to drop that pesky en add ing. So write, we're going to make that the word what? If I have to drop that E, I'm going to make it the word writing. You're right. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. Okay. Now what happens if I wanted to say, do we say I righted a book? No, we don't. So we can't put anything in this column because it wouldn't make sense. Now, if I want to say I'm a writer, how would I do that? What would I make it? Oh, you're right. Now look here. This has an E and this has an E. I don't write writer like this. I don't write W-R-I-T-E-E-R. That's not how we spell writer. So what I have to do is I have to drop one of those E's and just put W-R-I-T-E-R for writer. All right, very good work, friends. Now let's go to my next word, come. Can I say coming? I can, can't I? Okay, but what do I have to do? I have to drop that E and I say C-O-M. I don't put that E on there. I-N-G. Coming. Okay, now comed. The dog comed to me. That doesn't make sense, so I can't put that there. And comer, does that make sense? Nope. So this one we're only going to put right there in the ing column. All right, let's check this other word. Change. I want to say changing. How would I make that word say changing? You're right. I'm going to drop that E, and I'm going to put C-H-A-N-G, and then what am I going to add? I-N-G. Perfect. Good work. Now, changed. This one does have that ending, so I can make that say changed. How would I do that? Again, we have to remember, do I have 2 E's? No, I don't. So I'm going to make it C-H-A-N-G-E-D. I'm only going to put that 1 E in there so that it says changed. And changer, does that make sense? Nope, so I'm going to leave that off. All right, let's do the word use. Let's change that one. Use. How would I make it say using? Yes, drop that pesky E and add ing. Great work. U-S, no E. I-N-G, no E. Very good. Okay, used. Can I make this word say used? I can. Here we go. You tell me. U-S-E-N-D. Excellent. Now, user. Can I change this word to be user? I can. So how would I do that? U-S, not two E's. E and R. I have to drop that E. U-S-E-R. Very good work, friends. We have one more word today. Let's see. How can I change have to having? How can I change have to having? You're right. I have to drop that pesky E. H-A-V. Drop that pesky E and add I-N-G. Having. Very good work today, friends. All right. So remember, you have to drop that E when you're adding. Drop that final E at the end of words when you're adding an ending that begins with a vowel suffix, such as ing, ed, er, able, and ous. Now, we have been talking this week about fact and opinion, so I just want to quickly review what fact and opinion means. A fact can be proven true or false, and an opinion is what someone believes, thinks, or feels. So, my friends, for your challenge today, I'm going to write a couple words on my board, and I want you to do the same thing, practicing dropping that E. And how do I make them and change those words? So let me get your word for you. Here we go. And I'll post it later today. Let's see. Here are my words. I want you to draw your column, and I want you to make this word. Manage. And I want you to make, we'll do a couple that we've done. I want you to make this one. Now, some of them we might have already done, and that is okay. And let's do one more. One more. I want you to practice adding those endings, the ing. So make your column, the ed, er, and er. Okay, so make your chart like this and change those words. Practice that E rule. All right, friends. Until we meet tomorrow. Bye.